We all know the feeling. You work hard, you pay your bills, you put in long hours at the office hoping that your dedication will pay off. You juggle multiple responsibilities trying to keep everything in balance. But you're not getting ahead. Despite all your efforts, it feels like you're stuck in the same place. The bills keep coming and the expenses never seem to end. This is the rat race. It's a relentless cycle that many find themselves trapped in, running endlessly without making any real progress. Millions are trapped in this cycle. Every day they commute to work, spend hours at their jobs, and return home exhausted, only to repeat the process the next day. They trade their time for money. Time, the most valuable resource, is exchanged for a paycheck that barely covers the essentials. They struggle to make ends meet. The stress of financial instability takes a toll on their mental and physical health. Is there a way out? Yes, there is. It starts with a change in perspective and a willingness to take control of your financial future. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, talks about this. He emphasizes the importance of financial education and understanding how money works. He says the rat race is a trap. It's designed to keep people working hard without ever achieving true financial freedom. It keeps people from achieving financial freedom. The system is set up in a way that makes it difficult to break free. We need to understand this. Financial literacy is the key to unlocking the door to a better future. We need to break free. It's about making informed decisions and taking strategic actions to improve our financial situation. Many people dream of a different life. They want financial security. They envision a life where they can enjoy their time without constantly worrying about money. They want to be in control of their time. This is possible. With the right knowledge and actions, anyone can achieve this. But it requires a shift in mindset. It's about thinking differently about money and how we use it. It requires taking control of your finances. This means budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. It's time to escape the rat race. It's time to take the steps necessary to build a secure financial future. It's time to create a life of abundance. A life where you have the freedom to pursue your passions and live on your own terms. It's time to achieve financial freedom. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Start today and take control of your financial destiny. The rat race is a cycle. It's a relentless loop that many of us find ourselves in, day after day, year after year. We work hard to earn money, often putting in long hours and sacrificing our personal time. We spend that money on expenses, from bills to groceries and everything in between. Then we work hard again to earn more, hoping to get ahead but often just staying afloat. This cycle can feel endless, like we're stuck on a treadmill with no way off. It's hard to break free, especially when the demands of life keep piling up. We get stuck in a pattern, repeating the same actions and expecting different results. We tell ourselves this is just how life is, convincing ourselves that there's no other way. We accept living paycheck to paycheck, believing that financial stress is a normal part of life. We believe we can't get ahead, that the system is rigged against us. But this is not true. There is hope, and there are ways to change our situation. We have the power to change our situation, to break free from the cycle. We need to understand the system, to learn how it works and how we can navigate it. The system is designed to keep us trapped, encouraging us to spend and stay in debt. It encourages us to spend, to buy things we don't need with money we don't have. It keeps us in debt, making it difficult to save and invest for the future. We need to break free from this system to take control of our financial future. We need to stop working for money and start making money work for us. We need to invest wisely to build wealth and create financial freedom. This is how we escape the rat race, by taking control and making smart financial decisions. Many people face financial challenges every day. Living paycheck to paycheck is a common reality for many. Debt can feel overwhelming. The fear of taking risks can paralyze us. These challenges are very real. They can create stress and anxiety in our lives. They can make us feel stuck and helpless. But we don't have to stay stuck forever. We can overcome these challenges together. The first step is to acknowledge the problem. Don't ignore it. Don't be ashamed. Millions of people are in the same boat. You are not alone. The next step is to seek help. There are resources available. There are experts who can guide you through this. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Breaking free from limiting beliefs. Our beliefs shape our reality. They are the lens through which we view the world and our place in it. If we hold on to limiting beliefs, we confine ourselves to a narrow existence, unable to see the vast possibilities that lie beyond our self-imposed boundaries. If we believe we can't achieve financial freedom, We won't. These beliefs act as invisible barriers, preventing us from taking the necessary steps towards our goals. They keep us stuck in a cycle of scarcity and frustration. We need to challenge our limiting beliefs. This means questioning the validity of the thoughts that hold us back. Are they based on facts, or are they simply stories we've been telling ourselves for years? By examining and dismantling these beliefs, we can start to see new possibilities. We need to adopt a new mindset, one that is open to growth and change. A mindset that embraces the idea that we are capable of achieving great things. This shift in perspective can be the catalyst for profound transformation in our lives. Many of us have been conditioned to think about money in a certain way. These beliefs are often passed down from generation to generation, shaping our attitudes and behaviors towards wealth. It's important to recognize these patterns and understand how they influence our financial decisions. We may have grown up with financial struggles. These experiences can leave a lasting impact, creating a mindset of lack and limitation. But it's crucial to remember that our past does not have to dictate our future. We have the power to change our financial story. We may have been taught that money is scarce. This belief can lead to a fear-based approach to finances, where we are constantly worried about not having enough. However, by shifting our mindset to one of abundance, we can start to see opportunities for wealth creation that we previously overlooked. These beliefs can hold us back. They can keep us trapped in a cycle of financial struggle, unable to break free and achieve the success we desire. But by challenging and changing these beliefs, we can unlock our potential and create a new reality for ourselves. We need to start believing in our ability to create wealth. This means developing a positive relationship with money and seeing it as a tool that can help us achieve our goals. By cultivating a mindset of abundance, we can attract more opportunities for financial success. We need to embrace the possibility of financial abundance. This involves setting clear financial goals and taking consistent action towards achieving them. It's about believing that we deserve to be financially successful and that we have the power to make it happen. We need to see money as a tool for good. When we view money as a means to create positive change, we can use it to improve our lives and the lives of others. This shift in perspective can help us develop a healthier relationship with money and inspire us to use it in ways that align with our values. When we change our beliefs, we change our behavior. This can lead to new habits and actions that support our financial goals. By adopting a growth mindset, we can start to see challenges as opportunities for learning and growth rather than obstacles that hold us back. We start making different choices. These choices can lead us down new paths that we never thought possible. By being open to new possibilities, we can create a life that is rich in experiences and opportunities. We start attracting different opportunities. As we shift our mindset and beliefs, we begin to see and seize opportunities that align with our new perspective. This can lead to greater financial success and a more fulfilling life. The power of financial education. Financial education is crucial. We need to learn about money. We need to understand how it works. This knowledge is empowering. Schools often don't teach us about personal finance. We're left to figure it out on our own. This can lead to mistakes and missed opportunities. We need to take responsibility for our financial literacy. There are many resources available to learn about finance. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. Financial education is an investment in yourself. It's an investment in your future. It's one of the best investments you can make. Building assets for a secure future. Building assets is key to financial freedom. Assets are things that put money in your pocket. Liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket. We need to focus on acquiring assets. There are many types of assets. Real estate, stocks, and businesses are a few examples. The key is to find investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Building assets takes time and effort. It requires patience and discipline, but the rewards are worth it. Assets create passive income. They provide financial security. Start small and gradually build your asset base. Every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Embrace entrepreneurship. Take control. Entrepreneurship is a powerful path to financial freedom. It's about creating your own opportunities. It's about being your own boss. It's about building something of value. The entrepreneurial spirit is within all of us. We all have unique talents and abilities. We all have the potential to create something extraordinary. We just need to tap into that potential. Starting a business may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. There are countless resources available to help aspiring entrepreneurs. Start with an idea, develop a plan, take action, embrace the challenges and rewards of entrepreneurship. It's a journey of growth, learning, and fulfillment. It's a path to financial freedom and a life of purpose.